right, I'm going to hide everything else here. Let's go the collection. Bye-bye. All right, add mesh cylinder. Watch this, please. So we're just going to make a quick Rook. Looking good, Sabjot. Looking good. Okay, so right now, this is 32 pieces. I want you guys change it to 16. Change the height to 3 meters. Right here. 3. Done. That's, you want to start there, okay? Middle scroll. Sweet. Tab. Get into edit mode. Go to faces. Hold option. Left click here. You should be able to, and boom, get the whole ring. I need you to watch because you're going to miss this part. Okay, I want you to extrude out twice. So look. Extrude along normals. 1. Out. 2. Out. That kind of thing. Okay? See? All right, you guys can do whatever version you want. Get out of this. Scale it up. Yeah. Oops. Got to tab out first. Tab out. And then scale it up. Okay? Doesn't matter the height. All right, there it is. I made something like this. Okay. First thing first, I want you to extrude every second face over here. Okay? Actually, the full ring here first. So I go back to tab. Hold Alt. Left click. Careful here. Let me try that again for you guys. Look. Click out. Get close between these two. If you go to the horizontal one here, look what happens. You get the wrong loop. So if I come here, boom, and then you hit E for extrude. Nice. We got it. Now you can either shift deselect every second one, or you click out and you select every second one by left clicking, shift, 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 left click, and so on and so on. Okay, and now I'm going to extrude again. E. Bingo. Done. So now I'm coming down here, I'm going to add a cut, and I'm going to control where the cut is now. Okay, I'm not just going to like let it do it for me. I'm going to click, and I'm going to left slide, left click down. Boom. Done. I'm going to get out of this. Go to face mode. Hold Option or Alt. Left click. Nice. E for extrude. Now watch the problem. Uh-oh. No good. Let's go down. Use this one. Extrude. Out. Nice. Okay, I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to go to my edge mode. You're not watching. Edge mode. Alt left click. Bingo. Watch this. See that? This is important that you guys get comfortable doing stuff like this. See what I did? See how nice that looks on an angle? It looks a lot better than this, right? So a little bit of that. Nice. Let's go to insert edge loop. Maybe add 3 or 4 in here. No problem. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. Okay? All good. Now I want only one loop here. I'm holding Alt or Option on a Mac. Left clicking. And I'm going to hit S for scale. S for scale. And I'm done. I'm going to Alt left click. S for scale. Like that. Whatever you want. You want to make the Stanley Cup? Go for it. What am I doing? Alt. Yeah, Alt. Click. S. Out. In. Whatever you want. Okay? It's your design. But it needs to be tapered. All right? How's that? Now, here's one that we did in Maya a long time ago. We're going to go to face, right? Watch this. Okay? Here's another one for you. Okay? I'm going to select this. This is one I haven't shown you yet. Look at this. Right here. Look at that. If I just hover here a little bit, it should give me an opportunity to widen this out. This is Inset Faces. Watch what it does. It's really cool. Okay, let me just come out here. Where's my... There it is. It's Inset the Face. I don't know. Something's weird going on here. This should be like a handle. Okay, so let's try that again. Something like that. Okay, you can actually control the amount and all that, okay? So anyway, so if I come in here now, get out of this, go to extrude, right? Right, let's do extrude along normal again. Look, in or out. Whoa, look how cool that is. You can go in, right? All right, see? And then you press S, you can do this kind of stuff. All right? So you're welcome to do stuff like that, right? If you wanted there to be a window. So I want at least one window from you guys, inset like that. And watch, if I want to bump up the frame, watch here. Click once, shift left click, shift left click, shift left click. Extrude, out. That cool? I can bring this down, do whatever I want. See that? Okay? You can make them wherever you want. I don't care. Doesn't matter. So I'll do that again. Face, click once. Inset. I don't know why this is round, man. It's never been round to me before, so I don't know what's happening. It's almost like it's, I don't know, there's something not right here. If you can't do it, just do, and you could do an extrude too. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, and one last thing I want you to do. I want you to think of Lord of the Rings. Come in here. Okay, select, oh my, get out of that tool. Shift left select each one of the inside ones. Either you go up or down. It's up to you. Up or down. All right, whatever you want. I'm going this way. All right. And lastly, tab out and then come in here, add a sphere. Let's have the glowing, where is my UV sphere? And then get the move tool and drag it up. We'll make this burn next time or something cool like that. Okay?
Ron,
Yes.
did you play the Shadow of War?
Okay, let me get off the video here. Okay? How is this for you guys? Is this okay?
Yeah, it looks exactly like that.
It does? Show it to me. Send me a screen grab, okay? Stop recording. I want you to